my name is Ahmed. I'm a sales representative here at ManageKaro, and I'll give you demonstration of the smartest business management portal that you can use to manage your business. So this is the landing page. Once you will land on this page, it has different features options. It is telling us about the company, our partners, and all these terms and conditions. And you just literally press this button access now. You'll go on to the login screen. So first of all, let's create an account. So creating an account, I'll write my name here as well. So my name is Ahmed, and let me give my address as well. Road Street, UK, for example, and my business name is Ahmed Enterprises. Okay. So for instance, let's select the country, and let me go to Saudi Arabia, for example, and let me add my phone number as well. Here it is. I have added it here as well, and let me write my email and password as well. So I'll click on the register button, and an email verification has been sent. Let me go and verify my email first. Now we have verified our email. Let's go and log in into the system. I'll add my email and will add password as well. Okay, password mismatch. Try again. So yeah, I've logged into the system. We are definitely on trial, and you guys have like some really cool and affordable subscription packages as well, which is monthly as well as yearly, and you can avail 30% off yearly as well. So now let's quickly first go and add an item in this. That means I'll be adding my first item stock here as well. So you guys can use any language. I'm using English. You guys can definitely like use Urdu here as well, Arabic as well, different languages you guys can try out. So that's not an issue. For example, like I'll be writing something like that. You guys can add Arabic as well and any other language, and it supports that as well. So I'm going with Pepsi here. So okay, and Pepsi and description can. Unit is ml, selecting ml, and you guys can write add your own unit. For example, if you are adding into the pharmacy section, you guys can add tablet of mg. If you are in the departmental store, you guys can add kg as well. Submit it, and you can select from here. Going down to the quantity, I'll add 40 quantity here, and with 5 minimum quantity, and $5 is the price and $8 is the sale price. So okay, Pepsi is added now. We'll quickly go to the company profile section here, and I have added the logo. You guys can upload your own as well. Choose file, save, and this logo will be added to the bill as well as to the report section. So other than that, you guys can select currency here. I'll go with US dollars now, and I have added 2% BTA. You guys can edit this. You can add your own like 2, 3, and update it again. So this will be added as well. You added text on your bills. Other than this, you guys can select your bill template. I have selected thermal. There it is small template bill that is really used on the cash and carry occasionally. So let's go quickly generate a bill. So you will click on the sales section. From here, click on sale, and there are two ways to basically sell out. You guys can select items here as well, and click on sale. It's here, and what you guys can do is like directly go to the sales section. Here I've selected Pepsi, 3 quantities, 24 is the case, and 2% added here, and what I'll do is 24.480. Okay, and James is basically my customer, and I have made a bill, so it looks really cool. Everything is working. I have been changed as well, and all things are mentioned here as well. Other than this, like I have to check my sales, what I have done today. So I'll go to daily book, and what we can say is this is bill number 4, 24.48. Here is the profit on this as well. I can add my different expenses here as well. For example, I'm running a shop, and I have got a petrol expense balance here for $50. So it's outgoing. I'll select a date as well. I'll add transaction here. So this is incoming, coming from definitely sales, and these are the expenses I can record here. This is incoming, outgoing, and everything gets sorted here as well. So I hope this clarifies again. And what is next? So for next thing, let's now jump on to the bill sections. So here you guys can see I have made some bills already, and this is the last bill that I have made, that is of James. You guys can basically search out the bill or bill number as for example I'll select 4 and I'll press enter, so you guys can see bill is coming out, and you guys can even search with the names as well. So these are the bills of James as well. So you guys can make both credit bill as well as cash bill as well. For credit bill, like you guys can select Pepsi, and let me show you. So yeah, Pepsi is selected, and for example 5 is selected here, and I can write yeah, Kamran is a good name, I can go with. So this is how it's done. And what next, like you guys can see this is coming into the outstanding bill section as well. Other than this, like you guys can add your bank accounts. This is how I've added one bank here as well. You guys can add new bank here as well. For example BDF bank, and my opening balance is $40. Let me select date and add my account number here as well, and that's it. The bank is added as well. You guys can add your incoming and outgoing transaction as well. This is opening balance. What is deposit? Bank to cash means you are basically transferring into the withdrawn from this bank, okay? And cash to bank means withdrawn from cash in hand. So I'll be sending cash into the bank. So this is 100, and I'll add deposit, okay? I have deposited $100 more into my bank. So look, this is credited as well, and here it's updated again. Yeah, okay, it's working amazingly. So let's go now on to the ledger section. So let me first give you cash in hand option as well. So cash in hand means like the amount I have in my hand after spending all the expenses, again like after getting the incoming from the bills and also spending on the expenses what I've received and left with me, I'll add that as well here. So at the end of the day, so for right now cash in hand is $50, and what I'll do is I'll select the date, and for example I have $20 more, so I'll add that here as well. So it's 70, and you guys can see the record here as well. So this is it, and let's go and add purchase here as well. So for purchase I have to add supplier as well. So first go and add a ledger here. So here I add supplier, and United Kingdom maybe, and I'll select supplier here, okay? And what's next? And we'll add purchase here. Here is the supplier, here is Pepsi. We'll add 10 more here, 200 added, and I have added purchase now. So this is it. We'll go into the item section, and you guys see that 10 is added into this. So I'll click on details, and you have seen what is happening. This is purchase 40 plus 10, 50. So it's working nicely again, and you guys can see this is 2000 I have to basically pay to my supplier, and once this amount is clear I can like add deposited to my supplier. So total amount is 0. I have given him maybe $1,000 more, so now the remaining balance is 1000. So you guys can easily manage your ledgers like this as well. So here it's going to give you like purchase. I've done purchase, so I have to give, okay? This is it. And other than that, like we have fairly different options. You guys can print barcode as well, add expiry option as well. So for barcode and let me give you an idea related to the barcodes as well. So for example, I'm adding my barcode here. This is my barcode. You guys can basically scan your um, barcode here, and when you guys will go on to the sales section, you will just pin and your item will appear here. Other than this, you guys can print out your barcodes here as well. So here you go, this is a good label, you can paste it on your items as well. So they are giving a nice print option as well. Okay, I have to select the item first. So here you go, here where you can print out your options as well. So this is it. And other than this, like, you guys can basically check out employee salary. You guys can add employees as well. So let me quickly add an employee here. So this is your company code 2392. Okay, so let me add here what can I add? Peter, and my company code is 2392, so he'll be getting attached to my company. Okay, Peter 7850, it's its user ID, and Peter is his name, and you guys can give access to the Peter as well. So this is whole access, like I'll be giving sale access to the Peter, items access as well, but as well as daybook. So I'll save that as well. Now let's add the salary of Peter. Okay, here you go, Peter is selected, and here is the joining date, and 5000 is its pay. Okay, there you go, Peter pay is added as well, and I have given him like maybe 3000 in advance. So I'll add that here, and 2000 is salary pending. So you guys can manage salaries here as well. And this is it. And similarly, you guys will get notification of the items that are out of stock. You guys can get the notifications here as well. And for dashboard, now our data will be updated. So one item, 16 quantities sold, 250 is the stock value, 176 is the sale. I have to pay $1000 as well. Total profit is this. Nice graphs are coming. So you can enjoy this lovely system. The name of ManageKaro. Do try it out and let us know. And you guys can contact us as well, and as well as email us your feedback. Thank you.